In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Refund eDreams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move through the eDreams platform to cancel your trip and submit a refund request, and what to expect while you wait for a response. First, open eDreams, either in your browser or in the mobile app. From the homepage or main menu, head to Manage Booking. This is where eDreams keeps all the tools you need to handle changes, cancellations, and any refund-related actions tied to your reservation. Next, log in with the same email you used when you booked and your booking reference. That reference is the unique code for your reservation, and you'll need it to securely pull up your trip. Once you're in your booking, look for the option labeled Change or Cancel My Trip. Select that to begin the cancellation process. It's important to know that in most cases, you must cancel your booking before you can submit a refund request. eDreams will guide you step by step on screen. Follow the instructions carefully, confirm the cancellation when prompted, and proceed to the refund request option that appears for your booking. Complete any required fields and submit your refund request. The system may show you the type of refund available based on your fare, so review the information before you confirm. After your request is submitted, go to eDreams Customer Support. This is helpful for adding a short, clear note about your situation or for ensuring your case is logged. Open the support page, enter your booking details so the team can locate your reservation quickly, and briefly explain your request. Keep it concise and to the point, then submit the form. From here, you'll need to wait for a response from eDreams or the airline. Before you submit anything, keep these key points in mind. You must cancel the booking first in most cases. Refunds depend on the airline's fare rules, not just eDreams policies, and some tickets only allow a voucher rather than a cash refund. Processing can take time, from several days to a few weeks, depending on the airline and the payment method used. While you wait, stay attentive to your email and your Manage Booking page for updates or additional requests for information. That's the full process. Open eDreams, go to Manage Booking, log in with your email and booking reference, choose Change or Cancel My Trip, follow the on-screen steps, submit the refund request, then visit eDreams Customer Support to enter your details, explain your request briefly, submit the form, and wait for a response. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll give your refund the best chance of moving forward smoothly.